Baby girl, when you hurt, I'ma make this right. And I'll sure you guys stay hydrated. What's up, She Too Glam fam? It's your girl Desi, and today I got something so interesting for y'all. Gonna love this, okay? Guess what we doing today? You guess? Whisper it in my ear. Let me hear this. You knew. We beat in our face with Dollar Tree products today. Yeah, today. $1 products. That's how we live today. Okay. So before we even get into this video, before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, you guys, let's take a look inside of the bag. So exciting. I got a Makeup Vanish towel, mascara, some blush, some brushes, of course, eyebrow pencil. I've got some concealer, some lippies. Of course, I'll show you guys more of the products throughout the video. And this is what I'm really excited about, you guys. Lash glue. Can you believe that? And hold on. Lashes. And these lashes don't look too bad, y'all. This don't look too bad. So let's get into it. Look at this contour palette. Okay. All right, you guys. So we're going to start off with our eyebrows. I already started ripping the package. Got a little too excited. So, ooh, look at this pencil. You got a little brush. Okay, let me see something. Not bad. All right, so from Dollar Tree, I got my little glue stick that is gonna help press my eyebrows down. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that on. Just put down just a little bit. They didn't have any eyebrow wax. So this is another good product to use to lay your eyebrows down. Let's get into it, you guys. So I am filling in my brows. Okay, do you guys see a little difference? Okay. Okay, so I'm filling in my eyebrows using the soft brown. I don't know if you guys can see a little difference. I filled in this eyebrow, okay, and we'll go ahead and fill in this one together. But I don't know if you guys can see it or not, if it's filling in. I feel like it is just a little bit, just a tad bit. So I'm gonna use my eyeshadow brush as my concealer to conceal under my eyes. Okay, we're gonna use the LA Colors liquid makeup. This one is shade Creamy Beige. All right, so I have the product on the brush. Now let's apply it. Okay, and the reason why I went so light, one, this is kind of the only shade I have, but I'm doing eyeshadow as well, so kind of went hand in hand. What do you guys think? I am going to blend it out using, let's see, what's this one? Large eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna blend it out. We're gonna get into the eyeshadow. I got a little eyeshadow palette here, real cute. And because I don't have so much of these little brushes, I brought a eyeshadow swatching pad. Let's see inside of it. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the brush that I use to blend out my my concealer and let's go and wipe this off a little bit because we gonna need it. We gonna need it, okay? Okay, so we're gonna use all 4 colors, and I'm gonna find out how I'm gonna incorporate everything, but we're gonna use all 4 colors. And then we're gonna place it right here. On top. Oh, no lie. Hold on. Come on, y'all. Y'all see the purple? You see the purple? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna use that same concealer, Creamy Beige, to cut our crease, okay? You guys ready? I'm ready. After cutting this crease, we're just gonna hop onto the other eye and get that one started. So I'm going ahead and clean off my brush using the Dollar Tree, okay, sponge cleaner. All right, let's see if you guys can see this, the difference. Get the sides. Now you know, and boom, you guys see the difference. You guys see the difference. So this thing actually work. Go get some. Okay, go get some. Now that we got the cut crease all together, we're gonna go back in our matte palette and we're gonna use the blue to fill in the corners, okay? So we're gonna bring it in. We're gonna bring it in. Okay, now that we filled it in a little bit, you guys can see, we're going to go back into this palette and we're going to use this color right here on the top. We're going to go in with the Beauty Pop eyeshadow and we're going to use this color right here to, you know, put a little pop in our inner corner right there, okay? So I'm going back with my little brush. Go ahead and clean this out a little bit more. Alright, you guys, so after we're done with the eyeshadow, we're going to go in with our foundation. So the Dollar Tree that I went to did not have any facial primers, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the foundation. Most Dollar Tree has some primers, most don't. It's 50-50. Alright, you guys, so I have my makeup sponge right here, and I'm going to use that as well as my contour brush to help me apply my foundation. And these two are from Dollar Tree. Of course, you know what I mean? Ooh, I never used one of these before. Oh, I like how it feels. All right, so we're gonna pour this right on top of here. Ooh, that was a lot. That was a lot, but that's fine. That's fine. This should cover the whole entire face. All right, so we'll wipe off the sponge a little bit, and we're gonna use that. So now we're gonna blend this out, because, you know, that's what we do over here. We blend. We blend, period. All right, you guys, so I just got done doing my foundation. So now next step is to apply the concealer. So we're gonna grab the same concealer we've been using, which is the creamy beige, and we're gonna apply under the eyes, the nose, the chin, forehead. You got it? You trusting the process yet? Okay. Alrighty, so we're gonna use the same sponge, the clear sponge, and we're gonna blend this out. We're gonna go back with some more to highlight under our eyes. Not so much over here. Now that I've finished with my concealer, I'm going to get the LA Colors Contour. This one says sculpture and shape your face. So because I don't have a setting powder, I'm going to be using this one right here to set under my eyes, and of course right here to contour around my face. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out the package. Ooh, and this is powder. I'm going to make it a little dusty so I can get some product out of it. Alright, so now that we contoured our face, I'm gonna go in with this double take, and I'm gonna see if I can basically use this as my waterline color. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade, and hopefully it is smooth so it can apply easy, but if not, we make things happen over here. Okay, I'm gonna go back with the brush, try to blend this out as much as possible. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna now get into our blush. It comes with a little brush in there, which is really cute. This is the brush that it comes with. Let's see if I can take it out the packet. Wow. I'm gonna use the Dollar Tree contour brush for my blush. It's okay, you guys. Recycle, reuse, you know this. So I'm gonna use that to apply the blush. You guys gotta do a little cheese. Now that we got that out the way, we're gonna go and do the lips. So excited. I got a few lip products. I'm gonna use the same one that I use for under my eye, the liner. I'm gonna use this one right here. This is like a matte. Oh, it's a matte finish. Oh, perfect. So on top of that matte finish, I'm gonna go ahead and put that LA Colors gloss right on top of there. Okay, you see where I'm going with this, right? All right, so let's get into it. Okay, it did say that it is matte. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait till that dries up, and while that's drying, we're gonna apply our lashes. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you guys the lash glue right here. You guys can see that? And let me go ahead and grab the lashes. Lashes are right here. And let me go ahead and put the glue on the lashes, okay? All right, you guys, so I got the lashes on. Okay, not bad. Doesn't irritate much. So apparently the matte gloss is not matte, but that's fine. We're still gonna go ahead and top coat it with our clear gloss, which I love so much. I love clear gloss. Okay, I'm a glassy girl. come back in with the blush, you know. It doesn't hurt to add a little, you know, just a little. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. What's a girl without a blush? Yeah, the last item is the mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. You guys, let me know how you guys feel about this look. You know, I try as much, you know, I try really hard to blend. Oh, hold on now. Is this purple? Let's find out. It is purple, but ain't hurting nobody. How can I forget the highlights? So you remember the eyeshadow that we used for the eyes? We're gonna use that same thing to highlight. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Okay, so let's go there. And this cheese. Okay, let's go cheese. Okay, okay. Okay, next time. I'm getting too excited. That's what it is. That's what it is. But oh my gosh, you guys, get into it. Get into the Dollar Tree. Get into it. All right, She Too Glam fam. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so for overall, I really do like these products. These products are not bad for someone who just need affordable makeup and want to go somewhere real quick. Dollar Tree right there. If you guys have any questions for me, let me know in the comments below. If you guys want a part 2, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. If you guys want me to do makeup looks from Walgreens, CVS, Target, whatever, let me know and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And peace, love, and happiness.